Hello RiverWalk community and welcome back. As you can see, we've had a lot go on in the last month here. We've energized the building. You can see the lights on above me and you can certainly hear those fire alarms beeping all over the building. Got to test everything to make sure it's safe. A lot of these videos we've taken time to explain to you what goes into the building, who's been working on the building, the huge milestones that we've crossed, but we rarely talk about what is this building. It's a home away from home for a lot of people. I'd like to introduce you to Brian Willett. He's the Vice President of Sales for RiverWalk, and he's going to talk to us a little bit more about what it means to own in this building. See you soon. And here's Brian now.
Hey, Chris.
Hey Brian, why don't you tell us a little bit about what's been going on with sales?
Oh, it's been great. We actually just, as some of you may know, we just finished up this year of sales for 23. We're now getting ready for 2024. We're kicking off our next event on February 10th. I do want to take a second though, if it's all right, and I want to thank all of our existing owners and our new owners alike, and we're excited for this next chapter and to see you all real soon. Happy holidays.